Wagwan, what up, morning, evening, noon, night. Finish passing it a big up on yourself. That time of day is something there, that video is something. So for today's video, we're going to talk about Christopher Martin. And I've always wondered which music genre I should put him in because he's super versatile. Even dancehall, reggae, culture, every now and then, even like a R&B, sometimes even gospel, depending on the mood he's in. I'm so I look at Chris because I'm extremely tired. I just want to keep going up with the consistency of the videos, being that I haven't put up videos in a while. So before I put the clip up, full credit goes to Tropics, because Tropics is where I got the video clip from. And it's back in December 7th. 2019 to be exact. I think he was on tour in Kenya, but he was in the capital, which is Nairobi, if I'm pronouncing it correct. And a fan went up on stage, and you will see what happened. I think he's even currently promoting his new song, Big Big. I don't know if it's gonna do as well as Big Deal, but it's really a next nice one as well. I also like his song called Stop the Violence Against
Unfriend them, stop stay with the madman them. If every day my beat and I
you like, you can search for the video here on YouTube and listen to the whole context of it. It's absolutely a beautiful song. Anyway, on to the video of what took place in Nairobi, Kenya.
Hey, take time. Yeah, we can hug good. No wine for me, boy. I'm mother blood clot. Nairobi. It's all love, right? It's all love. It's all love, right? You know, he can hug me, he can hug me. But I don't want him to do this on me. It's no good. No good. No good, my brother. Okay?